This car was already fitted with a DSP.
Absolutely amazing.
About what I have seen, Vicky, that you have a taste of a sound like a club inside the.
This car was already fitted with a DSP. It's been like 2 years plus, but this DSP out of nowhere simply conked off. It's blown away. We are replacing this DSP with the more cleaner version of Alpine. So this is Alpine PXE 600.
Replacing a DSP wasn't a big task. We just need to do a bit of wirings here and there, and the new DSP just went in plug and play. Alpine has 8 channel out. Yes, it goes plug and play, neat and clean. No much hassles. You can see that, and the job is done. Later we sat with the client, understood his music taste, tuned accordingly, and also I asked him to share his review, a genuine review.
Hi, I have Mr. Vicky with me.
Hi.
He has a Honda CRV. We already had installed a signal processor and a pair of components in his car couple of years back. Due to some reasons, his signal processor conked off. So from that brand, we upgraded to Alpine now. So the difference, the earlier was a 5-channel, so now we have installed an 8-channel and did the complete setup, active setup. I just wanted to ask Vicky, did you find any difference, and what is the difference that you find?
It's a world of a difference, and the most amazing sound. I'm enjoying the music. It's absolutely wonderful, and of course, Raviji has so much of good knowledge in music. And as he explains things, and then once you install it, the two come together, and what he says is what you get.
Now
Absolutely amazing.
About what I have seen, Vicky, that you have a taste of a sound like a club inside the car.
Yeah.
It's not only that you listen to Sufi or you listen to soft songs, you listen to loud, you listen to bass, you listen even to Sufis.
Absolutely.
But you have, so is the requirement of the entire,
full variety.
so is the requirement fulfilled
Absolutely.
in the settings and tunings?
This new equipment that you've installed from Alpine is absolutely amazing. This 8-channel distribution of sound, and I think it's in active mode. So that
It's
is
in active mode, yes.
that is
So all the drivers are individually tuned
absolutely. So
as per your taste.
Absolutely. So that is what is making the world of a difference. And I guess in the near future, maybe a couple of months down, I'll be installing the centerpiece also,
Center channel speaker.
center channel speaker, so that should make it a full complete home theater.
Vicky, when you were sitting, you just close your eyes and you're listening to the music.
Yeah.
Did you get that perfect imaging in front of you?
Absolutely, the guitar sound was like I'm sitting in the auditorium right in front of me. The gentleman is playing, whoever's playing that guitar, absolutely amazing.
Great. Thank you, Vicky. Thanks for coming and
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
meeting us. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.